Hi, I'm Deb. I'm the owner of my business, and I give Eventbrite a 5 out of 5. And for more reviews like this, click below. I actually wasn't considering other software because everyone talked about Eventbrite. Everyone, my coaches and the people I networked with, they all used it. So I tried it and I liked it. It worked. If it works, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. I did briefly use my own calendar scheduler for events. I have Omnify, and that also works for events, but Eventbrite does have advantages. I chose Eventbrite because I needed an easy way of offering events that was easy to promote. And when the events are free, I love the fact that the software is free. So it did everything that I needed it to do. It also integrates with Facebook, which I think is helpful, certainly with my business, because a lot of my audience is on Facebook. One of the things I love the most about Eventbrite is how easy it is. Very intuitive. You just follow the directions and your event is out there. I haven't had any technical issues with it. I recommend Eventbrite to anyone who offers events, whether they're live or online. It's an easy way to get it out there, to promote it, collects the data. It's easy to export the list of registrations. So yeah, I highly recommend it.